Good day, viewers. Pwalpar here. Being the last day of the year, it's only fitting that I come up with some little video to make for my vlog. Today I made some air-fried hog jowl. Made a little video of it just with my GoPro headset. So it won't be the greatest videography in the world. But we sure enjoyed having some air-fried hog jowl. But I should point out to my viewers, and I should have pointed out while making the video, that you can certainly cook it in a frying pan just like bacon. You don't have to use an air fryer. I just use an air fryer for convenience. Anyway, that's what today's vlog is about. We're going to call it air fried hog jowl or some such. Thanks for tuning in today, and this may be my last video of the year for 2024. Good day, viewers. Let's make some hog jowl fried in the air fryer today. I do that every year. One of my viewers mentioned that they have never tried hog jowl. I've done several videos on it. I've got a pack of hog jowl here we bought at the store. We season our black-eyed peas and collard greens and other things with it on New Year's. It comes in a big thing, and you can get them sliced up or buy them already sliced, and it really resembles a big piece of bacon, only it's much thicker and probably a little greasier. We're going to have some on toast today. Let's get right with the program and put some in the air fryer. $390 sounds like a good temperature. I got it set on 24 minutes. I don't think it'll take that long. We'll preheat the oven anyway. Probably going to make a little smoke, but we're going to try it. Preheated, but let's put it in there anyway. Hog jowl smells, it's smoked, and it smells very much like bacon when you cook it. And there's not a whole lot of difference in taste except for the extra grease. 2, 4, 6, that ought to be enough. Put a little one in there to go with it. We'll be back as soon as I get it ready to turn over. I forget what I had it on when I started, but we're going to take a peek at it. We're smoking quite a bit, but it's turning brown and crispy. We'll turn it over shortly. Let's cook the other side a while. It's sticking together on me. I guess if you cook it long enough, you could make it probably crispy as bacon, but I don't mind a little grease. And these skins that grow on here, if you ever had fried salt pork or bacon rind, thick sliced bacon, you know there's a skin on it. And you gotta have some good teeth to eat them when they get crunchy. We'll give it another 5 minutes and call it done. Alright, I'm gonna say they're done, and I haven't even looked. Oh yeah. We're gonna put some of that on a piece of toast. Might have cooked them just right. They're looking good. I'll give you my opinion at the end of the video on whether I did a good job or not. You can coat that booger up with mayonnaise or mustard, or just eat it plain, which is what I'm going to do. Anyway, bon appetit. Boy, let me tell you, that was some kind of good. Try it, folks.